fine because I just prefer
the tanks
a more distinct.
Oh shit! No! You're fighting the tanks and the fucking giant.
Here comes the tanks. This is the boxing tank.
I forgot what does it look like.
Frick. Oh, they are all coming in. I thought we were dealing with them yet. Okay.
Got the fucking banner trifecta. Holy shit.
Okay.
Second tank get pyros on it. Second tank get pyros on it.
Oh no, that was the boulder resistant tank. Okay, this is the green tank. Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard.
I'm no longer getting any hit sounds.
Me neither.
I can't move!
Okay, next tank.
Oh god, that
Okay,
giant
so I'm gonna say this right now. If you see small medics, you must kill those small medics because those are give you heals. Oh, they're going up the stairs.
Get rid of any medics that are around the chief battalion.
Okay. Frick! Ah! Oh my lord, the chief! Oh,
The
frick!
chief is your main priority. The chief is your main priority.
What's that dude he had?
Frick!
What does he have?
Oh my god, I'm about to get clapped. Boys, remember me. Ow!
Guys, monk scouts.
Do not focus any other robots. Focus on the chief.
Take him
Focus on the
out.
chief.
If you see small meds, kill the small meds.
Do not give this guy any heals.
And also kill bonk scouts because they're obnoxious.
There's a Geeky Hill medic coming in.
Oh frick, I couldn't get him!
I mean, yeah, you should expect that to happen if you throw bombs.
Yes, French detector.
Holy shoot! What is happening?
I can't fucking move.
Right now, the fucking chief soldier has the bomb, so don't worry about the scout robots flanking you.
Ah! He killed me.
They will die in the crossfire.
He's still at 75.
Yeah, they will die for crossfire.
75,000.
Right now, that chief soldier still has more than half his health. He's near the fucking hatch.
Do not let him through! Oh, shoot!
Get him!
Body block him! Lay in everything you have! If people die, body block him some more! Do not let him through!
Ah, shit, he's way too close. He's way too close. You gotta push him back.
Frick, come on, push!
He can't be hit, he can't be pushed.
He's almost dead! Oh my god, freaking bunk scout! He's at 10,000!
Block him, corner him. He's almost dead.
He's at 10,000!
2,000!
1,000! Yes, he's dead!
Uber. Fuck him up.
Everyone take out the rest!
Fucking body block him. Okay. That's good. Box out. Box him in. Okay, nice.
Throw him away!
Throw him in the trash. Yes!
Heck yeah!
We got more box scouts coming in.
Back to the front lines.
Watch the bomb.
Oh my god!
We got a bonk scout coming in. 2 bonk scouts. Also, hi table. Welcome to my finale, my typical finale.
Yo, what now?
Typical way finale made by me.
First fire soldiers coming in.
There's one air blast bar coming for the bomb. If he picks it up, air blast them back. Unless he dies first, then yeah, whatever.
It is literally a mint finale. Literally a mint finale.
Oh, frick.
The right side is getting some resistance. Oh no.
Yeah, see, I'm over there right now, and there's a lot.
Hold them on the bridge. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. They're getting up.
Oh, frick, I got laid down.
Yeah, Alloyd is gonna be fucking trouble. Okay.
Oh, that's the freaking gun. Back to the front lines.
Yeah, Alloyd is planned to be the next mission after this. Yeah, we're going to at least try to play Alloyd. Oh no, I completely forgot about the dozer tank.
Oh, frick, it couldn't do it.
It should have been fixed now, right? Then again, this is the experimental server. Alright, well, we don't have to worry about that for now. Just focus on this wave.
Phew. We got 3 more giants and 1 tank.
The Rocky Balboa tank.
Oh, here it comes. Here comes the fisting tank.
Oh, that's a heal on kill heavy.
It's the
Do
tank.
Not
He'll want
die
kill
for that.
heavy. He'll want kill heavy. Watch it.
Oh my lord.
Tank's going left. Tank's going left. Tank's priority. Tank's priority.
Fist the tank. We've been through this. Fist the
This
tank.
the tank.
Fist the tank. Oh my god. Everyone, fist the tank right now. Let's get close. Everyone, please. This cannot end like this.
Robots are here. Robots are here.
1 more.
The final chief is lurking upon us.
Get to the right. Get to the right now. Actually, no. No.
Oh,
Fall back. Fall back.
shoot.
Fall back to the fucking bomb. Fall back to the fucking bomb.
Oh my god. He's 150,000 health.
Throw him away. Throw the
Okay,
bomb
bomb's
away.
being pushed back. Bomb's being pushed back. You don't have to worry about the bomb. Worry about the fucking chief.
Get the
We
chief.
must kill
Don't
the
focus
chief
on the chief.
before you
Yeah, and
reach
buy
the
Ubers.
bomb.
Buy Ubers.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Dogpile this chief. Dogpile the chief.
See if his heal on kills.
Watch how you fucking died. Don't fucking die to him.
Whatever you do, don't let him kill you. Thank you, medic. Die to every other robot but the chief.
Dogpile the chief.
Spies think I bro.
That's right, that's right. Take away his health.
Roll back.
Chase him, chase him.
Don't run further.
Oh, music's on. Oops. I think he got it.
That's right,
Okay,
that's
I
right,
can't
that's
even
right. He's
hit
almost
banner
dead.
charge off of him. This fucking sucks.
GG.
Come on! Yes!
Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah, baby. Plus.